We are at the zoo, guys. Stay tuned.
Hi guys,
Who we got? We got Azina with us today. And we got Kara. We got cousin Kylie. We got cousin Kellen. And we got grandma. And Azina. Yay. Flamingo.
Can you see them? Go ahead, follow that.
All of them registered, you know.
Huh?
All of the birds, they registered.
All of them registered?
And they all are.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what I said. It look like it. They
The
like
vulture
to
is big, Papa.
eat. Yeah, they like it. It like to eat.
Oh, look, it's right there. Yeah.
It like chicken. Yes.
Oh.
You see the bird? Look the bird up there.
Like some water, selling something with water. Because the sun hot.
It's a bird.
Melody, it's a vulture. Oh.
Prairie dog. A prairie dog.
Look at how it making a hole.
Dirt in his eyes.
It's so cute. It looking.
What are they doing? Look at what it's doing.
It's watching all. Oh, look at that plenty over there. Look.
Look at there. Look at the one going to drink water.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. It looking like hamster and them thing there, right? With them kind of animal, right?
Yeah, you want to
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Oh, let me see if I can go.
Oh, okay, Isha wants to get out. One
Can we
second.
want to go in there? Go in there. And when you're in there, wait.
Azina. Melody. I take a video. Where Kara? Oh, girl, I can't see Kara.
Hi, Kara.
Kara short, you can't see Kara.
I see that.
They're taking pictures.
Up. You feel like you're falling? You feel like you're falling?
This peace sign.
Go ahead, sit down.
Oh, Melody, remember to feed the Carly, we went to the mall over there and feed the birds. We must go one day. Come on this side. Come on this side. Sorry. Woo! Papa. You hear me, man?
Okay.
Hide it, hide in.
I thought it was laying down already. It'd go lower.
Hey. Ooh. Mine don't fall. It go? Look at the next one right there. It's in the back. Come. Chicken. Come, mommy, hold it. Come. Oh, it went back. Hey, come over here. Man, listen, man. You go? A cheater. I can't even see it. Come on. Melody, come.
You see the giraffe, Kara? And the ostrich.
Hi. Hi. look. You see?
Did you see it?
That's all. Look at that.
The giraffe! The giraffe! Call the giraffe. Call the giraffe. How many giraffes?
My one.
Something.
They come right there.
There's a giraffe in there. Whoa.
Yeah, gotta take it out. Hey,
Take the giraffe walking.
I got the giraffe already. If I really want.
I got the permanent and that's it.
Yeah, monkey. I hear you. Yes. Hey, jump up. Mama, jump up. Jump up. Yeah. They're in the park. Mabel and Azina in the park. That Melody little cousin. Yeah.
Look, it's coming, look. Yay! Hi! Hi! Colleen, Auntie Mary, Melody. Hi.
Say hi, Kara.
Hi.
Kara, look back at mommy. Say hi.
Okay. Papa, man. Papa. Yeah. The breeze feeling nice, eh? Ooh, nice forest breeze.
Nice.
Yeah. Papa, man.
Look at the trees. Yeah. Dominica now. We bakers, boy. Wait, we finish? We're going back. I think we're gonna run the whole zoo.
You're crazy.
Nice over there.
You can go for a ride.